free, free, free,
Palestine!
free, free,
Palestine!
free, free.
Palestine!
Not for sale, not for sale. Gaza is not for sale. Not for sale, not for sale.
Gaza is not for sale!
Your slogan आम्ही या खातीर
Save
दितात.
humanity! Save Gaza!
यो स्लोगन आम्ही या खातीर दिता कित्याक डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प नेतन्याहू आनी सगळ्यांनी आता थारायला गाजा सगळे सपाट करप, लोकांक गडीपार करप, पयस पयस धाडप, ताका रेफ्युजी म्हणून कुशीक काडप आनी गाजा जी करावळीचेर आहा, इट इज नियर इन एन ओशन नेक्स्ट टू द सी आनी गाजात ते करूंक सोदतात एक टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन 7-star 10-star tourist destination so that people can come there and enjoy. So we are saying go Gaza is not for sale, not for sale, not for sale, not for sale,
Gaza not for sale!
not for sale, not for sale.
Gaza not for sale!
आज आम्ही या पवित्र भूमी गोंयची हुतात्मा स्मारक असलेल्या आझाद मैदानाचेर आम्ही जमल्यात. गोंयकारांच्या वतीन गोवाय दिवपाक आणि आमचो सपोर्ट दिवपाक जे गाजा पॅलेस्टिनीन लोकांचेर जो हमलो जाता तो हमलो ताबडतोब बंद जावपाक जाय. इस्रायली फोर्सेस जे गाजाचेर रात आनी दीस त्या गांवांक गाजाक काबार करतात, काबार केला, तांकां सगळ्यांक सोंपयला म्हणपाक जाता. हे पॅलेस्टिनियन लोकांचे अंशूच काबार केला आणि काबार करपाची मांडावळ त्यांनी काढलेली आसा आणि ताका म्हणतात जेनोसाइड. आख्खे अंशूच काबार करपाचे. युनायटेड नेशन्स धरलेले त्याच बरोबर जेनोसाइडी बद्दल माहिती असलेले इंटलेक्चुअल्स ते सगळे दे आर ऑफ वन माइंड अँड one conclusion, including the International Court of Justice. त्यांनी फरमान दिला की Israel is committing mass genocide, and this genocide against children, women, as well as innocent civilians. आणि हाका लागून आम्ही आयज हांगा मेळ्ळ्यात गोवाय दिवपाक, सांगपाक की ह्यो जो हमलो गाजा लोकांचेर करता तो ताबडतोब बंद जावपाक जाय. आणि आमच्या देशाच्या पंतप्रधानान, द प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑफ आवर कंट्री, India was the first one to recognize Palestine after the Arab states. Indira Gandhi and all our great national leaders, including Mahatma Gandhi, had said Palestinians have an inalienable right to exist as a separate nation because they are the native rooted Palestinians of that particular state. And today, Israel त्यांका काबार करूंक सोदता आणि एंटायर पॅलेस्टाईन सोपोवन त्यांका वेस्ट बँक सुद्धा कब्जा करूंक सोदता. अशा वेळार आम्ही आमच्या सरकाराक पहिले शिटकावणी दिता. चॅरिटी बिगिन्स एट होम. आम्ही आमच्या सरकाराक पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी त्या आमच्या पंतप्रधानाक आम्ही जाहीरनामा मेमोरंडम तयार केला. सगळे हांगा संस्था जे हांगा जमलेले आसात ते आसिनात मारून सायन मारून पंतप्रधान प्रायम मिनिस्टर मोदी हेका आमी धाडटात. And we are saying, do not tarry, do not wait anymore. Much time has been lost, and the Palestinian cause is in tatters, or appears to be in tatters. Before it is too late, recognize, come out, and oppose the Israeli attack on Gaza and Palestine in general. Tell the Israelis to whom you are beholden, or who are beholden to you. Tell the Israelis from whom you are buying armaments and defense material. Tell them we don't want to trade with you. We do not want your armaments. Atmanirbhar India. If Atmanirbhar India, then don't buy armaments from Israel. Atmanirbhar India, don't buy armaments from Israel. Boycott Israel. Let's all boycott Israel and tell them that till you halt your attack on Gaza and Palestine, we will not support you, we will not have anything to do. This is a call from the coalition to combat Israeli genocide in Gaza and Palestine. Friends, every day, every minute of the hour, there is an attack on the people of Gaza, Palestine. In the same way, there are so many wars going on at this time. We know that USA is behind the Israeli attacks on Gaza. USA must stop its chickenery. USA must stop. It is anti-Palestine, anti-people of Gaza. USA must stop. Today, each and many countries, USA wants to also attack Argentina, Venezuela, and people are up in arms. USA wants to take over air base in Afghanistan, which they are opposing. USA wants to attack India in numerous ways. But time has come, the Prime Minister of this country, our Indian leadership, political leadership, must know who their friends and enemies are and embrace the people, the suffering people of Gaza and Palestine. इश्टानो, हांव सगळे बरे मागपी गोंयच्या लोकांक उलो मारता. आमी गाजाच्या लोकां बरोबर उबे रावया, तांकां आमचो सपोर्ट दिवया. आयच्या दिसा 5 सप्टेंबराक ह्याच आझाद मैदानाचेर आमी जमलेले आनी आमी उलो मारलेलो की पंतप्रधान प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ताबडतोब ह्यो गाजाचेर जो हमलो जाता बंद करा. 80% शेतां गाजा आनी पॅलेस्टायनांक काबार जाल्यात. 3000 बिल्डिंगां सारखे सपाट करून उडयला. 65,000 65,000 लोकांक मारून उडयला. 20,000 भुरग्यांक जीवशी मारला. आयज आख्ख्या संवसारांत सगळ्यांच्यान चड अपंग लोक, हात आनी पाय घातलेली भुरगीं ती गाजा शहरांत आसात. अशा वेळार इश्टानो, आमी जागे जावया, उठुया. अशें म्हणूय नाका अरे ते गाजाचो प्रश्न घेवन कित्याक बॉम्ब मारतात. हांगा गोंया आनी भोंवतणी इतले प्रॉब्लेम आसात. एनी ऑपरेशन, any repression, any exploitation, any criminality, any genocide anywhere is genocide everywhere. Let us go and remember this. Anywhere Wherever there is genocide, wherever killing, oppression, we must oppose it as people of conscience. We, the people of Goa, are people of conscience. We, the people of Goa, have human values, because these human values must impel us to come on the road and stand witness for the people of Gaza. Coalition to combat Israeli genocide in Gaza, Palestine, we together stand in condemning whatever is happening, and we want the government to come out of its shell and support the people of Gaza for their permanent liberation, so that Palestinian people have an independent state and it becomes a sovereign nation in the committee of all nations of the world. Thank you very much. आणि आम्ही दोन स्लोगन मारया. Where are the slogans?
Free Palestine!
Free, free,
Palestine!
free, free,
Palestine!
free, free,
Palestine!
free, free.
Palestine!
Not for sale, not for sale. Gaza is not for sale. Not for sale, not for sale.
Gaza is not for sale!
Your slogan आम्ही या खातीर
Save
दितात.
humanity! Save Gaza!
यो स्लोगन आम्ही या खातीर दिता कित्याक डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प, नेतन्याहू आनी सगळ्यांनी आता थारायला गाजा सगळे सपाट करप, लोकांक गडीपार करप, पयस पयस धाडप, तांकां रेफ्युजी म्हणून कुशीक काडप आनी गाजा जी करावळीचेर आहा, इट इज नियर इन एन ओशन next to the sea, आणि गाजात ते करूंक सोदतात एक टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन, 7-star, 10-star tourist destination, so that people can come there and enjoy. So we are saying, go Gaza is not for sale, not for sale. Not for sale, not for sale.
Gaza not for sale!
Not for sale, not for sale.
Gaza not for sale!
What is the slogan?
Free Palestine! Save humanity! Save Palestine!
Save humanity.
Save Palestine!
एक request म्हजो, many of us are not used to shouting, so please make it a habit to raise your voice, because raising our voice is what will reach the heavens. What was the slogan, comrade?
Save Palestine! Save humanity!
Save Palestine!
Save humanity!
Save Palestine!
Save humanity!
Save Palestine!
Save humanity!
Save Palestine!
Save humanity!
Slogans.
Down with Uncle Sam! Down with Israel!
Down with,
Uncle Sam.
down with
Imperialism!
down with imperialism. Down with,
Down with imperialism!
down with,
Down with imperialism!
down with.
Down with imperialism!
Slogans. Down with,
Down with imperialism!
down with.
Comrade!
From the river to the sea.
Free Palestine! Free
Yes.
Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
Can anyone come and speak a few words?
Today we have gathered once again because we have a couple of earlier protests here, and as we are gathering here, as we are talking here, people in Palestine are getting slaughtered, they're getting killed, and many of these European countries who are now saying we are going to recognize Palestine, unfortunately there's nothing to recognize now. They're completely destroying Palestine, and this is hypocrisy of the European Union countries. It's a big shame that after you destroy and butcher the people, commit genocide, ethnic cleansing, you are now ready to recognize. What is the meaning of this? India says it supports Palestine, yet we are having defense ties, trade ties with Israel, which has to stop now. If we want to stop Israel, then all the countries must stop trade with Israel, boycott Israel, and compel Israel from invading and destroying Gaza, West Bank and other parts of Palestine. As Palestine was a nation much before Israel, the Jews which came to Palestine were using Palestinian passports. If Palestine was never a nation, how come their passports were used by the same Zionists who are now out to kill and destroy the people of Gaza? Of course, there are progressive Jews also who are supporting Palestinian people. We all support Palestinian people. People who got heart will support Palestinian people. But we have to give a message to the Indian government that this Modi government must stop all trade ties. India is heavily funding Israel in defense and other joint ventures, which we must stop. Even as the European countries, France, UK, as they speak against recognizing Palestine, they are still supplying arms to Israel. This is a hypocrisy. These countries are supplying arms, ammunition, arms parts to Israel to kill the Palestinians. And the hypocrites are saying that we are now going to recognize Palestine as it's getting wiped out of the face of our earth. So we have to stand by Palestine. I hope the flotilla of 50 countries which is now heading to Gaza succeeds and they are not attacked or killed by the Israeli government as they have done in the past. And thank you all for coming today. Thank you, comrade.
The governments can all do their part, but so can we. There are so many places we can be not putting our money and not helping them help their governments from killing everybody everywhere. So everyone should know, all those companies, they're full every day. I drive past, everyone's happily eating crap, killing themselves and helping to kill everybody who's not being asked to be killed. So please boycott the companies that you know are related to this and happily supporting it and giving the IDF free food all the time. Just do our little bit. We don't know what Modi's going to do, but we can do a little bit.
Thank you.
From the river to the sea.
Palestine should be free.
This is what has to happen and will happen today or tomorrow. In the meantime, the people of Palestine, Gaza, are being slaughtered and massacred, and the genocide is going on, and we are helpless, some of us here. This is the least we can do, to come out and speak out for the people of Palestine and to pressurize our governments and to create public opinion in our land that what is happening is absolutely against all principles, absolutely against humanity. It's been going on for too long now. Too long now. This should have been happening long back. But the Committee of Nations ought to have been able to intervene and stop this genocide, what is happening. We see videos of children with limbs missing, parents killed. We are in the 21st century and this is happening. It is like unbelievable. Where has humanity reached? So I agree with the call given to boycott Israel, as South Africa was once a time boycotted and sanctioned for its apartheid regime. This is worse